What is up, guys? Matt Palin here. Happy Thursday. And today we are going to be unboxing this WWE Elite 50 Stephanie McMahon. That is right, guys. Here's the back of it. Pretty cool. It's a pretty cool figure. And there's a side and the other side. So let's get going with this unboxing, guys. And let's just put the belt down. Here we go. Try to get this thing open. Pretty cool. There's one. A Stephanie McMahon figure, guys. This is pretty cool. Come on. This came out. This Goose Diorama thing that you put on your standy little figures, I believe. The standy thing came out. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now it's time to take out the rubber jacket. Pretty cool. Now it's time for the mask. Came out too, guys. The mask and the rubber jacket. And now it's time for Stephanie McMahon. Look at this. Really love the details on this figure. Look at this. Pretty cool. So guys, once again, this was my unboxing of the WWE Elite 50 Stephanie McMahon figure. So guys, once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Happy Thursday. Peace out.